Need it fixed? Service with a Smile repairs electronics on the phone at 836-0454, on the web at servicewithasmile.com.
You've clicked on the Weather Xtreme video from ABC 3340. I'm meteorologist Brian Peters coming to you from our Weather Center. And let's take a look at some Skycam images, some interesting fog images, fog going into a low cloud deck. Here we're looking at Gadsden, and just a kind of a very interesting image where the Skycam is above the clouds and above the fog. Similar in Hamilton, Marion County, the sun invisible there and the blue sky above, but those clouds keeping the sun away from the ground this morning. And in Birmingham, we couldn't even see the buildings a little while ago, and now the buildings are once again visible as the visibility dropped to less than a quarter of a mile. One weather system at the surface headed out from the southeast Atlantic coast, and another weather system developing in Texas. There's the closed low at 500 millibars over South Carolina, moving away from us. That's the one that brought us some rain to southeast Alabama yesterday. And then here comes the trough, the next short wave coming across Texas. Temperatures still relatively mild across the southeastern U.S., but really, I think if you want warm, you've got to go to South Texas, South Florida, and a little bit of southwestern California in the southwestern United States. Temperatures across central Alabama generally in the mid-30s, mid and upper 30s, but we do have some freezing readings, especially around Hamilton, Haleyville, and Cullman counties. Here's the good news. The GFS and the HPC are painting a good deal of rain, a swath of rain from about, Baton Rouge, across Birmingham and up to near Knoxville, and that will be wonderful if this indeed does happen. And I really think the possibility over the next 5 days of 2 to 3 inches is a very real possibility. Here's the 06Z GFS model run, and notice how quick the systems are moving through. There's the one for this afternoon over around the Outer Banks, and then another one coming through East Texas. The end result is 2 surface lows that we've already talked a little bit about. One surface low coming out of Texas is going to weaken as it gets our way, so I don't expect to see a great deal of rain overnight, but we will see some rain, probably light rainfall amounts. For Friday, look for another trough off to our west, and that will develop a new storm system in the central U.S., and that promises to bring rain to the state on Friday. And then on Saturday, that one system is the one up over New England. Things are moving very fast, very progressive flow, and we've got another short wave coming through the Four Corners area. That means Saturday we expect it to be dry. It doesn't necessarily mean it'll be completely sunny, but at least it should be dry. That Four Corners storm system, that short wave, ends up around the mid-Mississippi River Valley, and that again brings some rain. And this could be a nice rain event with kind of an all-day rain for us on Sunday. And let's hope that's true, because we could certainly use that with our deficit. The upper level flow seems to be forecast to go into a rather broad long wave trough over the eastern half of the country. And for the last day of the year, that means we should be dry. As we head into the first of 2008, the trough sharpens up, and with that, oh, look at that, the 540 line all the way down to, well, how about Montgomery? So some colder air for the start of 2008. And then by Wednesday, a week from today, high pressure over Mississippi will keep us dry, and we're beginning to show signs of a warming trend. But with that radiational cooling, we should have some cold mornings. Now, going out into voodoo land, here's the 5th of January, another short wave that promises to bring some rain our way on the 5th and maybe into the 6th. And then again on the 8th, another short wave headed our way, and that too promises some rain. And all of these systems will help us, because we can certainly use the rain in January. By the 10th, as we're getting to the end of the forecast period, we've got a short-term ridge. Notice how sharp that ridge is, and with that, some dry weather around the 10th. Well, we certainly appreciate you tuning in to the Weather Xtreme video. Hope that you have a great day after Christmas. I'll be back with another one tomorrow morning. Have a great day, and God bless.